So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic non-metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about the halogens. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Also, if at any point you feel you want to answer any question before we provide the answer, you can pause this video at that point and try out the question to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, we are going to start with the first question here. It says chlorine gas turns a damp starch iodine paper A colorless, B red, C pink, D dark blue. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's dark blue. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. When chlorine is passed into water and the resulting solution exposed to sunlight, the products formed are A. Oxygen, oxochlorate, 1 acid, oxygen and oxochlorate, 1 acid, B. Chlorine gas and hydrogen, C. Chlorine gas and oxochlorate, 1 acid, D. Hydrochloric acid and oxygen. So guys, the answer to this question will be option D here, and that's hydrochloric acid and oxygen. So when chlorine gas is passed into water, the resulting solution is going to be hydrochloric acid and oxygen. So guys, that's it for this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 3 here. It says, which processes are involved in the turning of starch? In the turning of starch iodine paper blue-black by chlorine gas. A. Chlorine oxidizes the iodide ion to produce iodine, which attacks the starch to give the blue-black color. B. Iodine attacks the starch to give the blue-black color. C. Chlorine attacks the iodine ion to give the blue-black color. D. Chlorine attacks the starch to give the blue-black color. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. Chlorine actually oxidizes the iodine ion to produce iodine, which attacks the starch to give the blue-black color. Already we know that the action of iodine on starch will produce a blue-black color. So guys, that's it for this question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 4. It says, which halogen is a gas at room temperature and is pale yellow in color? A. Iodine, B. Chlorine, C. Bromine, D. Fluorine. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's the fluorine. Fluorine is a gas at room temperature and it's actually pale yellow in color. So let's consider the next question. Question number 5. Which of the following halogens is the most reactive? We have chlorine, fluorine, iodine, and bromine. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's fluorine. So in the order of their reactivity, you have the first fluorine, followed by chlorine, followed by bromine, followed by iodine, and that's the order of their decreasing reactivity. So that's it for this question. Option B is the correct answer here. So let's consider the next question. Question number 6 here. It says chlorine can be tested by using damp litmus paper, which turns the litmus paper to A green, B pink, C blue, D red. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's pink. So let's consider the next question. Question number 7 here. It says fluorine does not occur in the free state in nature because A. It belongs to the halogen family, B. It is inert, C. because of its high reactivity, and D. because it is a poisonous gas. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's because of its high reactivity. Fluorine is actually very highly reactive, and because of that, it does not occur in the free state in nature. So guys, that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 8. It says chlorine, bromine, and iodine resemble one another in that they A. are liquids, B. displace one another from solutions of their salts, C. dissolve in alkalis, D. react violently with hydrogen without heating. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. They all dissolve in alkalis. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 9. Chlorine gas is commonly used in the production of which of the following industrial compounds? A. Ammonia, B. Methane, C. Chlorofluorocarbons, and D. Ethanol. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's chlorofluorocarbons. So let's consider the next question. Question number 10 here. It says, if chlorine is bubbled into water and the resulting yellowish green solution is exposed to bright sunlight for a while, the solution will decompose, giving out A. Oxygen, hydrogen, and chlorine, B. Oxygen, thereby producing hypochlorous acid, C. Chlorine and oxygen, D. Oxygen, leaving behind aqueous hydrochloric acid. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, like you must have guessed rightly. The solution will actually decompose and give out oxygen, leaving behind aqueous hydrochloric acid. So that's it for this question, and that's the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new to subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to use this opportunity to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.